Eighth race from Mohawk swings into the stretch. Here they come. They're off and trotting. JC's Jake with a big move from out in post 8, joined in the center by Hold On Tight to Your Dreams. Just a Small Town Girl, forwardly placed as she marches into a 3-hole. Crossing over 4th is Wind Song Géant. Then it's back 5th to Kinetic King. 6th away, Charlie is a Joker. Strong Hope into 7th. Whiskey Tax, 8th one back. Cimarron Ken floats his way into the 9-hole, and Bags for All trails 10th. Here is the quarter, compliments a front-stepping long shot, JC's Jake, as he puts it on the board in 28 flat. Pocket sitting is Hold On Tight to Your Dreams. He was. Here he comes. Hold On Tight to Your Dreams, blasting from the deuce right to the front. Hold On Tight to Your Dreams grabs the lead. JC's Jake Waples grabs leather. Back there third inside is Just a Small Town Girl. 2.5 back to Wind Song Géant from in 4th. Kinetic King is 5th. 6th up underway comes Charlie is a Joker, grabbing his cover. Strong Hope into 7th. 8th outside to Whiskey Tax. Final 2 in the field, Bags for All and Cimarron Ken. Here's the half. 57 and 2, they trot to the final turn, and on that lead it's Hold On Tight to Your Dreams, length and a half better than Pocket Sitter. JC's Jake third in at the rail, Just a Small Town Girl. 4th outside trots Charlie is a Joker. In at the rail 5th now as they move around the turn is Wind Song Géant. Then 6th outside is Strong Hope, buried 7th Kinetic King, and moving up is Whiskey Tax. 3/4 next. Still with the lead is Hold On Tight to Your Dreams. JC's Jake is 2nd now. 3rd outside and rallying. Here comes Charlie is a Joker. He's 3 off the lead. 3/4 in 125 and 4, turning for home. Still the one to catch. Hold On Tight to Your Dreams. JC's Jake with the plugs pulled 2nd. First over from in 3rd, Charlie is a Joker. Wind Song Géant tips off cover and drives. Shooting through up the rail is Just a Small Town Girl. Put to deep stretch pressure late is Hold On Tight to Your Dreams. Closing up outside, Charlie is a Joker. Wind Song Géant and Whiskey Tax onto the scene too. Charlie is a Joker. Closing on the outside to win. Charlie is a Joker. Back-to-back Team Béarchamp. 155 and 1. Charlie is a Joker wins.